Learn to enable fixed assets and create a new fixed asset record in Zoho Books. Open Zoho Books. Then click on the Settings icon. Now, navigate to General. And click on Fixed Asset to enable the Fixed Asset module. Click on Save to confirm the setting. Then close the Settings page. Go to the Accountants section and click on Fixed Assets. Click on Create New Fixed Asset to start adding one. Start by typing the asset name. Then type the purchase value in the first field. Now type the current value in the second field. And finally, type the disposal value. Click the Asset Type dropdown and choose or create a new type. To add a new type, click on Add New Fixed Asset Type. Click on the Purchase Quantity field and type the quantity. Then click on the Current Quantity field and type that as well. Now select the Fixed Asset account from the dropdown. For example, click on Furniture and Equipment. Next, choose the Accumulated Depreciation account. For example, for the Accumulated Depreciation account, select Furniture and Equipment. Then pick the Depreciation Expense account. For instance, click on Advertising and Marketing. Finally, click Save as Draft to save the asset record. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.